Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize long-term care insurance with Genworth. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by determining your long-term care needs. Assess your current health status and family medical history. Consider your future healthcare requirements and possible living arrangements. Research the various types of long-term care insurance policies. Understand the differences between traditional policies and hybrid products. Evaluate the coverage options offered by Genworth. Examine the waiting periods and elimination features of the policy. Review the daily benefit amounts and benefit periods available. Calculate the premium costs in relation to your budget. Use online tools or speak with a financial advisor to understand your affordability. Investigate any available discounts for purchasing a policy early or in good health. Consider customization options for adding riders or benefits to tailor your policy. Reach out to a Genworth representative for a personalized assessment. Get quotes for multiple coverage scenarios to compare costs. Ensure you understand the underwriting process and requirements. Gather the necessary documents and health information for your application. Review the policy terms carefully before signing. Keep an ongoing dialogue with your agent for any questions that arise post-purchase. Monitor changes in your health and financial situation over time. Reassess your policy annually to ensure it still meets your needs. Stay informed about any changes in long-term care regulations or insurance legislation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.